You get monkey? Monkey. Giant monkey. Do you love him?
Oh, his hair. Stick your fingers in his nose.
Hug. Oh, monkey got you. Look at him looking at it like, huh? What are you going to do about that now? What are you going to do? What are you going to do about the fact monkey got you? Nobody's laughing at me.
Get the monkey.
Get monkey. There, get him. Show him who's boss. It's your monkey. This giant monkey.
I got you.
Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, a different toy. Wait. Give him a hug. Hug that monkey. Yeah. Oh, how cute is that?
Another monkey.
Oh, another monkey? Oh, that monkey isn't good today apparently. Give him big brown monkey. Yeah.
Little brown monkey.
Yeah, little brown monkey. Monkey. Oh, that's cute. That's good. Grandma's gonna like that one. That's the monkey Grandma bought you a Build-A-Bear. Yeah. Oh, I hugged both monkeys. Now give him backup monkey.
Backup monkey?
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Oh, honey. Daniel.
He's looking like a statue.
He's too cute. Daniel, backup monkey?
Daniel.
Monkey.
Somebody
Oh. Yeah, should we take that with us today when we go out? Should we take that monkey?
Take the big one.
No, we don't take the big one. No, we don't take the big one.
Get the double stroller.
And put big monkey in the front seat. Look at all your monkeys.
Monkeys everywhere.